Alright, so in this video we are doing a guided practice for the Chapter 6, Lesson 2, using the laws of exponents to simplify rational exponents. So make sure you bring out those notes and use them when going through this in terms of what do you do to the exponents when you multiply, when you divide, when you raise to a power, and when you have this set up as well. So write these down, pause the video, try them on your own using those laws, and then we'll go through them and be able to show you some of the answers to check your work. So again, guided practice, copy them down, use your notes, try them on your own, and then let's check your work. So let's look at number 20. Hopefully you've already completed it by now. So when you multiply, you add the exponents together. You have to find a common denominator. Basically multiply this all by 5, this all by 3, and then you have a common denominator that you can then add the numerator to and get your answer. Okay, so number 21, when you're dividing, you'll subtract your exponents. So if you have common denominators, we got 6 here, then you just subtract the numerator. An important thing that you can play into this though, that whenever you have a fraction that can still be simplified, even if it's in an exponent, then go ahead and do so. And you can actually simplify the exponents down as part of the process of simplifying altogether. So again, 22, make sure you've done it already so you can then check your work. So if you did it correctly. So when we have a power raised to a power, we multiply. With multiplying, remember in your fractions, it doesn't matter whether they have common denominators or not. You literally just multiply straight across. 5 times 3 and 3 times 2. And also at this point, when we do it later on, you could simplify right here in terms of crossing out the 3's, because 3 divided by 3 is going to give you 1. And if you notice, you'd still be left with the same answer of 2 in my numerator and 5 in my denominator for 2/5. So you can multiply, or you can simplify first and then multiply. Okay, 23, go ahead. What operations you do, try to solve it on your own, and let's now check your answer. So you're going to distribute the 1/2 to both of these exponents, so it follows the same initial rule as up here that you're going to be multiplying. If you notice, I went ahead and just simplified while I was already there, which gave me -1/3. And since I have a -1/3 in my exponents, that means it goes into the denominator and makes a +1/3. And then here I just multiplied straight across and got my 1/8. Alright, so there's your guided practice. I hope this helped.